So I have a new knife. Oh, this knife is really sharp. Hey guys, this is akbarjaleesahmad from Everyday Life Creator, and this time around I have another box to show you guys. And in this box there are two things, so let's find out. So this is that pre-order, the additional pre-order gift box that I received from OnePlus, and there are two things in this box. One is the OnePlus wireless Bullet headsets, and the other one is Nord, the OnePlus Nord cover. And I would be giving away the OnePlus Nord cover, so stay tuned for more information on this. So let's open this. This is the OnePlus Bullet wireless headphones. The MRP written on the box is 3,999, and this is the other product. This is so this one is OnePlus Nord Sandstone bumper case, and the MRP on this one is 790. Okay, so this is the bumper case for OnePlus Nord. I won't be unboxing this. This will go as it is, sealed back, to one of my subscriber, and I'm going to give away this particular OnePlus Sandstone bumper case. Okay, so I'll share more details. So the other product is this one, this guy here. And so the total cost of this particular pre-order is somewhere around 4,790 rupees, but this one is for free. And this is the gift box that I received from OnePlus. So a big shout to OnePlus. And okay, so on opening the box we can see OnePlus wireless headphones, and this is pretty sleek and good looking pouch. Okay, so I'll show you what's in the case. You can see a little badging here, and the wireless buds itself. So there's a little sticker here. Let me peel that off. So this is how it looks from the inside. Yeah, there is a little book, another book, so this is the user instruction in black. It's pretty dope. Then I have the wireless buds itself. I'll come to this later. Let me show you the pouch. So here in the box we have Never Settle. Okay, this is pretty nice packaging. You see? Okay, so finally it's here. I must say this is very fancy, feels premium, so smooth. It's like a silicone. Yeah, okay, so there's something in it. Okay, so here's the charging cable. The last thing we have is the wireless buds itself, and let's take them out. So these are the wireless headsets. I also have the OnePlus Wireless Z, and the design is almost same and similar. You can see the same structure here. charging port, quick switch, and nothing over here. And here are the volume rockers and play, pause and call accept button. Coming back to the giveaway part, these are the OnePlus Nord Sandstone bumper case. This is Sandstone black. I have not touched it, it's still sealed. I haven't opened it. I won't be opening this. I'm going to give away this. I'll be selecting randomly from the comment section, and whatever the best interesting comment is, I would give away that particular. Alright guys, so this was it. This was a pretty quick unboxing about the pre-order box that I got, and thumbs up if you like the video. Also subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified from my new videos. Thank you.